that's my type. That's my type, nigga, that's my type. 8-inch bagel, that's the pipe. That's my type, nigga, that's my type.
Hey y'all, it's LC Ran back with another video. We back. Yeah, you guys, it's LC Ran back with another video, and I'm going to do a get ready with me for school. This is the night before school. Y'all, I'm not ready. I don't even look at an outfit plan. I have no matter where. But yeah, that's all good because it doesn't matter now. Look at my hair, looks really good. I just have like my scarf on my head. But yeah, right now I'm going to do a little face mask, get the skin really just right before school, because y'all know. But yeah, I'm gonna get the skin right, do a little light face mask or whatever. I'm excited. But yeah, y'all, class of 2020, you already know, senior year. Low-key excited, low-key kind of sad. It's my last first day of school, y'all. Like, anyways, I hope you guys enjoy this video, and let's go. Okay guys, right now I'm about to do a face mask or whatever. I have this one I got from Target. I've been had this for a cool minute, and yeah, I'm about to do this one. And if you guys want an in-depth skincare, my skin glowing, blemishes, we don't know her. Acne, who is she? But if you guys want an in-depth skincare tutorial, I will have that in the description down below, because I already found that. Already done. But yeah, guys, school tomorrow. School tomorrow.
Put $100,000 in the Bible. I took the game with my eyes closed.
Y'all, I barely went back to school shopping today, the day before school, because I'm so lazy. But I don't care. I really didn't get anything. I got like folders, like notebooks, barely anything. Because like in high school, back in the day when we used to get the little pencil boxes and all of that, I don't care that much. It's not that deep. Because I end up literally not using any of those. Ooh, what am I gonna do? Okay, what am I doing? Ooh, I'm gonna look crazy. I can't do it. But y'all, I should leave this on for 10 minutes and I'll be back. Okay guys, I'm not gonna film me doing my makeup, but I'm gonna come back when I have a beat face. So yeah. Okay guys, I totally forgot to film my outfit and what I wore on the first day of school. So basically I wore, you know, a cute little oversized jersey fit with biker shorts and Air Force Ones. And if you guys want to see like the pieces individually, I did a haul, and I'll put that in the description box down below. Okay guys, I'm tired. I just woke up. School, senior season. But yeah, better get ready. Okay you guys, I did my makeup. Beat face period. I didn't put lip gloss on, but I'm gonna put that later. This is my outfit or whatever. Look, I'm wearing a navy blue jacket with side biker shorts and just a tube top, and I'm wearing Air Forces or whatever. Ooh. Baddie period, but that's what we're going for. Very cute. Period. We're coming in looking cute all school year. Hot girl school year. Hot girl summer. It really is a hot girl school year. I'm gonna take you guys to school with me. I'm gonna try to vlog or do whatever that. And yeah, this is my fit. Look at that. Hey guys, it's day 3, Friday. It's the last day of the week and first week of school. Yeah. So yeah, I'm about to get ready. Okay, let's go. Okay guys, today is Friday and today my school colors are green and gold. So I'm wearing these necklaces and I have a green tube dress. Yeah, okay guys, I'm just wearing this green tube dress. You guys can see. It goes like there and it goes to my knees. And yeah, it's on. If you guys saw my back to school haul, you guys already saw this look. It's really cute and it's a tube dress. But yeah, I just threw an oversized cropped black jean jacket with it. I'm still gonna put lashes on. But yeah guys, the look for Friday. Done with the first week of school, guys. Very bittersweet. Very sweet though, because I want to get out. But yeah guys, I hope you guys like this video. It was lit lately or whatever. Make sure you guys thumbs up this video, guys. Like it. If you guys want to see more actually like me vlogging at school, actually just comment down below, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe guys if you guys want to see more of me. But yeah, okay, bye guys.
They copying my style, Capiana. Roger that, over. Capiana. Benny Hanna to Katana. Bitch, I've been a Donna. He screaming my government. On Nikataya. You look like Nicki now. Still, you Tatiana. To keep it 100, bitch, you Wakiana.